From the moment you arrive, it just feels like home. The gorgeous landscaped lot will lead you to the most welcoming, large covered front porches where it feels like you're just stepping back in time where life moved a little slower. From there, the entry continues to grab your attention and your heart. Stunning hardwood floors lead you to the great room where tons of windows shower the space with sunlight. The stone facade fireplace reminds you to sit and relax, unwind, and let go of the everyday grind and just be present in the moment. The main floor primary bedroom is spacious and cozy at the same time and offers all the comforts with an ensuite bath. The other three bedrooms are on the upper level, all very spacious with another full bath, plus a loft area with built-in shelving and a catwalk that overlooks the stunning great room. The kitchen provides plenty of space for the chef of the family, tons of cabinets, a pantry, desk area, and if you like to cook, the stove has a warming area to keep all the food warm while you're finishing the details of the meal. The breakfast nook leads out to the patio for easy dining out on the deck. And off of the kitchen, you'll find an incredible Three Seasons room leading out to the spacious outdoors deck with a gas line for the grill and plenty of space for all your summer barbecues. And the wow doesn't stop there. There is a huge daylight lower level that's ready for movie nights, game day, or just hanging out with friends and family with a huge bar, rec space, and a workout room. And now for a huge surprise to this already amazing home, a massive oversized garage, 3 huge bays, a heated workshop, and another bay for the riding lawnmower and outside toys. You do not get this type of garage in a typical subdivision home. This 4-bedroom home with over 3,900 square feet also provides peace of mind with a new roof, new furnace, and new air conditioning. Don't miss out on this one. Call Jim Bradley for all the details and a private showing.